Hi there. In this video we are going to be installing this LuminaStar 1023RD light fixture, which honestly in the pictures looks really nice, but we will see how it actually looks when it's on the ceiling and turned on. So let's get inside this box. If you want to see some info about it, it should have 30 watts, diameter is 24 centimeters and the height about 7 centimeters. And in theory it's dual color, so it should be able to output warm white and cold white. And it has 2 years warranty. I'm not counting on that at all. And in here nothing honestly that important. So this is what you have in the box, the fixture that you put on the ceiling itself, and this little thingy. So let me get it out of the bag. We also have the screws for it. I'm not going to use because most times these are quite crap. So I'm going to use others. Let's see the driver itself. Chinese no name. Maximum 24 watts times 2, but probably this is not running at maximum, hence the 30 watts only, and the hair from China presumably. There's a quick connect in here. Yeah, good enough for 30 watts. That's almost no amps honestly. And this is how the light fixture looks, and this should light up plus this side right here. And the only thing, and yeah, you can see the LED strip down in there. The only thing that annoys me are these little dots all around, 3 of them actually. They are from the manufacturing process. I think they are some inbus type screws, really tiny down in there, but yeah, obviously they don't appear anywhere in there. So what I might do actually is just put a tiny white dot of paint on all 3 of them, because I'm not going to use them again. These are just probably to hold this thing, this ring in its final position. So I don't need to see them, I don't need to use them ever. So let me do that off camera and then get to install this thing. And this is how it looks after painting. It's obviously not a perfect match, the color of the white, but anyway, much less obvious than what it was before. So let's get to installing these thingies on the ceiling. Getting ready to attach the light fixture. Everything is tightened in place. Wires are ready, and I just wanted to add, I put these nuts as spacers and I put some washers at both ends, because otherwise you are not able to tighten this in place. It will just hang in there like a piece of turd, so I don't want that. I did not like how these were holding the wires in there, honestly. Yes, they were holding them, but they seem quite low quality. Anyway, so replace them with the proper stuff that you tighten in place. So let me connect this now. And it's in place and looking good, and you can see my tiny paint dot right there, which would look way worse if it would be silver. So just a bit of different colored white. So yeah, that's about it. Up until now everything seems good, so let's give it a test and see what it's got. Okay, and these things are ready to go. And yes, you see correctly, they are a different color temperature. And if I cycle them, that one right there, for a while will refuse to turn on. So it's, I'm not sure, partially defective. If I let it be for a while, it will turn on. Yeah, but normally if you cycle it, you can see we are going through the color modes. But weirdly enough, as you could see, they are not in sync. So this one starts with cold white, that one starts with warm white. But that one, I think it's somewhat defective. So, yeah. And as you can see now, they just reset it. If you leave them for a while, they go back to scratch. So they don't have any memory or whatever. So, I will use them probably as they are. This one cold white and the other one warm white. As you can see, the areas they are in are somewhat separated. In here it's more towards the door, and on the outside I have cold light, a light fixture, so it matches with this. That one matches with the ones from inside, which are warm white. So in the end it's okay. The only downside is that I cannot really cycle through the modes because that one will get stuck. But if I let it in the off position enough, because normally you don't turn off the light and in a second turn it back on, these things should actually work fairly normally, I hope, like this. So in the end, for the moment at least, I will use them as is. If that one begins to create other types of issues, I will send them for warranty. But I must admit, they are quite interesting looking. Yeah, I'm not sure if I recommend them, because again they are Chinese quality and you can see problems even with them brand new. Who knows in time how many problems I will have. But I liked the way they looked and I decided it's worth giving them a chance. So that's about it for this video. Hope it helps you, in which case please give it a like. Check out my other videos, and as always, see you in the next one. Bye.